Do you know how to let raisins dance? Hey kids, do you like raisins? Do you like magic tricks? Well, today we're going to make raisins dance underwater. All you need is a glass, some fizzy soda water, and a few raisins. Oh, and your best dance moves. First, pour your soda water into the glass. Listen to those bubbles go. Now drop in your raisins and watch closely. They're going down. Wait, up they go. Giggles. Here's the science. Soda water has carbon dioxide gas. The bubbles stick to the raisins, making them float up. When the bubbles pop at the top, the raisins sink again. And that's how they dance. And now you know how to make dancing raisins. Try it with grapes, pasta, or popcorn kernels, and don't forget to dance along. Hey, did you know that when you pull a prank on someone, it makes them feel so bad, you feel bad? Well, we don't want you to feel bad, so subscribe for more fun science and we'll send you the giggles. Stay awesome.